So today's video I'm going to talk about temperature conversion. Let's get to it. So we have three different temperature scale. One is Fahrenheit. This is usually used in the United States. Degree Celsius is the one that most scientists use. And then Kelvin is also another temperature scale. We use Kelvin to avoid negative temperature by setting the coldest possible temperature to be 0 Kelvin. You can think of it as absolute 0 is equal to 0 Kelvin. So this is the formulas that help you convert from one temperature scale to another. Like if you have Celsius, you can find Kelvin using this. If you have Kelvin, you can find Celsius. If you have Fahrenheit, you can find Celsius using these or these. It's the same thing. Or if you have Celsius, you can find Fahrenheit using Celsius. Okay? So let's get to the example. Number one, convert 82.5 degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius and Kelvin. If you look back to the formula, we know that if we have Fahrenheit, we can find Celsius using this formula. Celsius equal Fahrenheit minus 32 divided by 1.8. So I just plug in 82.5 minus 32 divided by 1.8 and I would get 28.1 this is. If you look at the formula again, you might notice that there's no way that you can get from Fahrenheit to Kelvin. So in order to get to Kelvin, you're going to go through Celsius. Since we already find Celsius, we can just plug in the Kelvin formula. So K equal degree Celsius plus 273.15, which is equal to 28.1 plus 273.15, and you would get 301 Kelvin as your answer. Usually in the textbook we use 273.15, but you can also just use 273. Number two, convert 75 Kelvin to Fahrenheit. So like I said, there's no direct way to convert from Kelvin to Fahrenheit, but there is a way to convert from Kelvin to Celsius and then from Celsius to Fahrenheit. So we can use Celsius formula. Celsius equal Kelvin minus 273.15. So we've got 75 minus 273.15, and our answer is minus 198.15 degrees Celsius. Since we have Celsius, we can go ahead and find Fahrenheit. So we know Fahrenheit equal to 1.8 Celsius plus 32 equal to 1.8 times by minus 198.15 plus 32, which is equal to minus 324 times 67 Fahrenheit, and this is our answer. Okay, so now let's try another example. Complete this table by yourself, and then you can compare the answer with my answer at the end. So I'm not gonna go over everything here because I'm sure that you guys are so smart that you know how to do these temperature conversion. But if you get stuck or if you need help, you can also just let me know in the comment, and then I can just create another video going over everything for you. Okay? Okay, so this is what I got. I hope you got the same answer. There's something I want to mention is that the significant figure of temperature is kind of weak, because if you look at this one, you start with two significant figure, and then if you do like the calculation, you would realize you would still need to keep your two significant figures, which you do here. However, when you get to Kelvin, you've got a number that is three significant figures, so you might want it to write as 2.83 times 10 to the 2 Kelvin. However, in temperature, we never want it to write as a scientific notation. So if you've got the answers that is more than two significant figures, so just keep it as three significant figures. Okay, so that's it about this video. I hope it is helpful, and keep practicing. Practice make perfect. Okay, bye.